Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Today we're going to be practicing a few postures that will help you sleep better. Eat your meal 2 to 3 hours before your bedtime. Keep your gadgets away. Practice these postures, think happy thoughts, and I'm sure your sleep will only get better. Get on the mat and let's begin. You will need a bolster or a couple of pillows for this practice, and remember, you don't have to do this on the mat. You can do this on your bed right before you go to sleep. So let's get started. We're going to start with a supported child's pose. So keep your knees nice and wide. If you're using pillows, you can use 2 so you have enough height. I'm going to bring the bolster close to me in between the knees, and as you exhale, just lean forward onto the bolster or your pillows. You can just give the pillows a nice hug and turn to whichever side is comfortable for you. Close your eyes and relax. If you need additional support underneath your hips, feel free to use it. Allow your chest to relax into the bolster. Take full support here. You want your spine to stay nice and long. Face relaxed, shoulders and neck relaxed. Each of these postures we're going to try to do for a minute or 90 seconds. Halfway through, if you like, you can always turn and face the other side. Soft, easy breaths throughout. Whenever you're comfortable, you can slowly come back to a nice neutral spine. And now we're going to turn around and place our lower back towards the bolster. Okay? Your feet can either be in Sukhasana, or if you're comfortable, you can place your feet in Baddha Konasana or butterfly, soles of the feet touching each other. Hold on to the bolster and very slowly, gently recline and lie down. I am quite comfortable using just the bolster, but some of us might need an extra support underneath the head, so don't hesitate to use an extra cushion here, and close your eyes and relax. Again, whenever you feel like, you can always bring your feet on the mat or come into Sukhasana. But if you're very comfortable, continue to stay in Baddha Konasana. Bringing awareness to your navel, your hands can still stay on the floor, but we're going to practice a few rounds of deep abdominal breathing. As you inhale, allow the belly to expand. Exhale, allow the belly to relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply. And exhale. If you keep listening to your body, you will know when you want to shift and move on to the next one. So whenever you're ready, you can slowly turn to one side. Bring your knees together first. Carefully come up. You can remove the cushions or your bolster to the side. Lie down on your back for Ananda Balasana. Lifting your knees up in towards your chest, you're going to open your legs, take your arms inside of your legs, hold on to the arches of your feet. Okay? Make sure you're not letting them drop open. You're keeping your ankles and knees in one line, and the shin is perpendicular to the floor, knee coming towards your armpit. Take an inhale. As you exhale, slowly, very gently draw the knees closer to your armpit. Make sure the lower back isn't leaving the floor. So go here only as much as you can. Close your eyes. Focus on where you feel this posture. What are the sensations in the body? How your breath feels. There is no force here. You want to just relax and melt into this posture. Bring awareness to your hips and lower back. Whenever you're ready, slowly release the legs and bring your feet down. Rest here for a few seconds, observing the sensations around your lower back, hips. And you're going to slowly turn to one side again, and we're going to bring back the bolster or your pillows. This time we're going to place the pillow or the bolster horizontally. You're going to slightly scooch your hips on towards the bolster. Use your forearms to the floor and lie down. We are already in Setu Bandhasana but fully supported by the bolster. You can close your eyes, release your arms, turn your palms to the ceiling and relax here. When you're placing the bolster, make sure the lower back is well supported and you're not overarching the back. So take a moment, play with the position of the bolster and find what is comfortable for you. Once you find a comfortable posture, close your eyes and start to connect with the breath. We're going to use the support of the bolster and lift the right leg up. The right leg can be bent or you can straighten the leg out completely. Continue to use the support of the bolster and lift the left leg up as well. And if you're comfortable, you can let go of the bolster and relax your palms. Your hips are elevated here in Viparita Karani. Feel free to close your eyes and relax and observe the sensations in your legs. If you stay here a little longer, there might be a slight numbness in the legs, which is completely natural. You're allowing the legs to relax. An easy venous return of the blood from the legs. We stay here for a few more breaths. And then you can take support again or bend your knees and slowly bring your feet back down to the mat. Lifting your hips up, use your palms to slide the bolster from underneath your back. Self a nice tight hug, hug the knees into the chest, gently rock side to side, releasing any tension that you might be holding back. You can also do these side to side rocks in Ananda Balasana. Great for the back. Release your feet down to the mat. Stretch your legs forward. Keep your feet apart, palms facing the ceiling and eyes closed. Take a moment here and bring your awareness to the entire body, acknowledging every sensation in the body. Run your awareness from the tips of your toes all the way till the top of your head, mentally telling every part of the body to relax, relax, completely relax. Relaxing your feet, both legs, hips, groin, butt, lower back, mid back, upper back, abdomen, chest, sides of the body, both your arms from the shoulders all the way till the tips of your fingers, relaxing the back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, your entire face. Let's take 3 deep breaths here. Inhale through the nose. Open your mouth and sigh the breath out. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Completely rest, let go and relax. Practice these postures to relax and find deep sleep, not to challenge or force your practice. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.